big day you guys have all been waiting for. The wheels are finally here, and I'm very excited to show you guys which ones I went with. Now, I know I gave you guys a couple of different options. The biggest votes I got were on the Cosmos wheels, and honestly, they're the ones I like the most. They are the Cosmos Racing XTRs, super fresh. I cannot wait to unbox this for you guys. I really want to show you this. This is my boy Mac. He actually helped us out. He's been in a few videos before with his Subi. He's got it over here. Dude, you guys got dope lineup here. Check this out. They got the homie with the Z, they got the Subi, they got the ST, they got Max Subi, and then we got a Mazda Speed, Gen 2, Gen 1. I always get those mixed up. But fresh lineup. Anyways, guys, let's get back to unboxing these wheels. I cannot wait to show you guys this. Go ahead and slice that open. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's the ultimate reveal. I'm super hyped. I can't even do it. Dude, I can't believe it. Bro, I'm wearing this in the shower. I'm 100% all for Cosmos. Okay guys, so we did an 18 by 11 wheel. Okay, now what's crazy is, hold on, I don't want to lose that. What's crazy about these is they're an 11-inch wide wheel, and I cannot explain how lightweight these are. Our boy Mac actually pointed that out. Look how fat these are, dude. Like, that's as big as, wide as my head. That's wider than my head. Holy crap, dude. Most of my cars have had like a matte black wheel on the Subi. This is more of a gloss finish to the wheel, and I'm so excited about it, dude. Oh, bro, I just can't believe this right now, dude. And honestly, like, just the pattern of the wheel and with the offset is a +8. So boys, we got some dish to the wheels. So what we're doing here today is Mac's gonna run us through like a mounting and balancing process of getting the tire on the actual wheel itself. We're gonna get, this is insane to me, dude. You ready to?
Let's do it, bro.
Let's do it. Let's mount and balance them, bro. Let's get it going.
Bro, those are thick.
Those are thick.
2-step! I gotta set that shit up.
He's gotta step it up. What's up? Oh, we stepping it up for the vlog. Okay. Respect. Respect. Let's get to mounting and balancing these tires. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're gonna stack the wheels in here, and then we'll get to grabbing the tires out of the bay. Wherever they're at, we'll find them somewhere, but let's get all the wheels in here first, boys. Let's go. Let's actually go grab the tires. Mac, where are they at? Oh, up here? All right, let's go. Yo, this looks crazy. Look at that. All right, guys, we are up top in the actual tire bay itself. We're gonna have Max show us where the tires are located.
Yeah. So it's just like the manufacturer date.
Yep, this is them. Oh, word. All right, boys, this is the tire I went with. Dude, that is wide, bro. So we went with the 275/35. That's gonna give the wheel just a little bit more of a stretched look, but not too insane. So that's what's gonna be dope about that. I also kind of went with a little bit more meaty tire, just because with being in Utah, we have some gnarly winters. If I don't have a winter set by next year, then I'm definitely gonna need some of this on there. If I do end up getting a winter set, then I think we're gonna go with some proxies, or we might just run some Federals, like screw it. You know what I mean? All right, let's go. The rubber gang lit. What's dope about tire companies is after you get the tires, I mean, you can't just carry them all down the stairs, right? So they actually have this awesome little chute. You send the tires down the chute to the bottom floor, where then we fully mount the tire on the wheel. So we're about to send these tires down the chute like Santa Claus on Christmas. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, dude, that's scary looking, dude. Think I could fit down it?
Yeah.
He says, yeah. Let's send some tires down the chute.
Just be careful because it goes flying forward. It flies. Yeah. All right. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Go for it, brother.
Throw one down?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. First tire thrown down the chute, 2020. Let's go. No coronavirus here. That is how it's done. They don't want Marshall no more. It's Shady on chopped liver.
Try it the way he did it, brother.
Alright.
Alright.
Does he just put one on top of the other like this?
Yeah, and he's...
Yo.
Yeah. He's
Bro, I
doing
can
it.
work here.
It's harder than it looks.
It's harder than it looks, but like, I'm getting To the Cosmos wheels we go. Alright boys, so this is the machine we're actually going to be using. Our boy Mac actually went and replaced all these little rubber tips right here, as well as securing the top of it with some tape. Just so then we have full security and we just don't want to scratch the wheel whatsoever, so we're taking extra precaution.
This is called the duck head. It helps us pull tires up and over and push them down on. So this is the inside of that.
Yeah.
And I replaced that just because I didn't want to risk.
Oh, so this is all new too?
Stuff. So I replaced that.
Okay, so we got the new duck
head.
Duck head. New duck head. New duck head's lit. All right, first wheel is locked and loaded, man.
Oh shit.
It is in place. So that's gonna keep it secure, huh?
Yeah.
Fully
so
secure. All right, so like as you guys see right there, we got full, no scratch, 100% scratch free. For just a little bit extra protection, Mac's gonna go ahead and put some tape just around the rim of the wheel. This is gonna give it just that little bit more so we do not scratch it whatsoever. Nice. Oh yeah, dude, they were saying use duct tape, but duct tape that would leave hella residue, bro.
Exactly. Oh my God. That's why I was saying do this. A little bit of X up in here.
Can I go rage right now?
Get it.
The boys playing X in the shop. We gotta go hard. Okay, so we are getting ready to put the first tire on the first Cosmos wheel. This is gonna be the first look that I've had for the whole wheel itself, put together, fully assembled. This is gonna be totally sick, and I can't wait to just see the stretch factor on it. Like I said, with the size of the wheel and the tire that we combine together, it's gonna add just a little bit of a stretch, kind of like the same look that I have on my car right now. So this is gonna be really dope to see the final turnout of it. I'm super hyped for it. Other than that, guys, the wheels look so good, and I'm so happy so far how they've turned out. It's exactly what I want, and I'm so hyped to present you guys the Widebody Subaru 2016 WRX. Let's go! So Mac just actually pulled through the first stem on the wheel. That's what we have so far. Use the little tool, pull it through. Got to do it on all 4 of the wheels. Dude, here it goes. Stickers off. First wheel about to happen. Then you actually take some more lube, go around the tire here, and that's going to help actually mount the tire and get it on to the wheel. You know, kind of makes sense. What? Oh, bro. Hey.
Hey, pull out the Cheetos.
Huh?
All right.
I can't hear you, dude.
Okay. Just lightly crack it.
Really?
Watch his shirt. It's gonna... Actually, bro, you actually might be running more stretch than the Volkswagen.
Dude,
Or just about as much.
Bro, those are stretch, dog. Look at that. Okay, you know, boys, we might be a little unsafe here. That's some stretch. It's kind of scary.
I wouldn't worry about debeating. I've
Okay.
seen a lot worse.
Okay.
But I mean,
That's still some stretch, huh?
tire safety policy.
Okay, wait.
Shit. You probably should put that.
Oh, These are wide, dude. Oh my. Dude, I wish the camera could just do the justice of how wide these are. Like, look at my head. Fit the whole screen. Here's the wheel itself. This thing is gnarly.
I hate butts.
Oh! Bro. Yo, what is that?
That's a fat cockroach.
Bro, alright. We got a little homie up in the box with us. Hey, let's find him. Is it a cockroach?
Yeah,
oh, there he is. Little buddy.
Oh, bro, he's a fat roachy.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Yo, he got the coronavirus with him.
Hey, you know, you step on it, it's not gonna kill it.
No, cause like I opened up the box and he goes crawling across right there. I was like, whoa!
Bro, you about shot to the back room, bro.
Scared the crap out of me.
Dude, that thing looking like it's about ready to fly somewhere. This part might be blocked out of the video. All right, let's get back to finishing up these wheels.
So just use that as a pry bar.
Yep.
Just pull it through, keep going. It'll snap in. You'll feel it.
Right there.
Yep.
Mac is actually finishing up the last process of the wheels, balancing machine, getting them mounted and balanced, and adding the weights as needed. Guys, the last thing we have to do is to put the Cosmos center caps on the wheels, and then you know what, boys? We're done, and we're taking the wheels home. Can't wait, let's get it. So how the center caps come, you gotta stick the sticker on the center of this here. Woo! Boom.
Hey, bro, what are you doing?
Oh.
Wake up, wake up.
Sorry, bro. We're installing wheels today, putting wheels on the car and mounting and balancing. Let's go. Yes, sir. Fuego. This is not just your average tire shine. This is Chemical Guy's tire shine. Wow. It's the better stuff.
Bro, he didn't want the sun.
He didn't want no smoke. Big pulls, boys, big pulls. Yo, did you hear the pops too?
Oh.
Fire. Absolute fire. Should I slow down for him?
Yeah, let's see if he wants some sauce. I mean, let's just try to take on Stone.
Bro!
Audi don't want the smoke. Stone wants the smoke.
Hey, you know, as soon as we turn, this road merges. That face says it all. You think you're gonna win?
No.
You need to be more confident in yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
This 600 horsepower gonna go a long ways right now.
See, I intimidated him with the 600 HP.
Bro, he's ready.
Trying to distract him. As soon as that light goes.
Bro, he locked his doors.
He locked his doors?
He either locked them or unlocked them. He's ready.
You locked? Hold on, I gotta lock my. All right. Yeah, dude. Like what I was saying is, I got it.
And that is how the Sanders boys do. Featuring Cordell. He's gonna try to pull right here. I just know him. Watch. What did I say?
Oh, he's coming.
Yo, that is so fun.
I'm dead, dude. That's a long day of a lot of work and a lot of filming and a lot of talking to the boys, but it was worth it because we got some dope wheels.
Has the stretch like sunk in yet?
Let's talk about it.
My tires are so stretched, I could probably... Bro, they're so stretched.
Do you think I'll D-beat on the freeway or anything?
No, we should be good.
Pothole maybe?
I mean, you're already swerving. So.
Oh, hell no, bro. Dude, this is some sketch.
Bro, I'd be kind of... I'm concerned with my tires, and you're stretched more than mine.
Oh my gosh, they're so stretched. Okay, you know what? We'll go over this in another video. Yeah, we'll talk about this in a future video, but let's figure something out. We gotta put them somewhere. Ah! Dude, they're so stretched, bro.